Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, and in this video I am going to talk about is grammar is necessary for speaking English or not. Then my answer is no. Grammar is not necessary for speaking English. If you are not starting your journey just because you are focusing too much on grammar, then I would like to tell you stop. Stop doing that. Because if you want to speak English, then you should speak. Without speaking, you can't be a perfect. If you are thinking that if you are focusing too much on grammar, then grammar will makes you a fluent speaker, then it's wrong. It's totally wrong. Most of the people focus too much on perfecting their grammar. You know what happened with them? They actually lose their concentration. They actually lose their focus from how to speak English to perfecting their grammar. From my opinion, I think you are thinking that you should be very perfect in grammar, then you can speak English. But my dear friend, I am not agree with you. You are wrong. It's not true. If you have not proper command on grammar, still you can be a fluent speaker. For example, I have not a great knowledge of grammar, but still I am speaking. I have only basic knowledge of grammar, like noun, pronoun, adjective, whatever I learnt in my school. But still I am trying, still I am speaking. If I can speak, why can't you speak? You also can speak. But for speaking, you have to take a step. You have to start. You have to practice. Then you can speak. If you are making some grammatical mistakes while speaking, it's okay, it's not a big deal, because every learner makes mistakes. Because without making mistake, you can't be a perfect. Mistake is our teacher. We learn from our mistakes. So don't afraid to mistakes. How did you learn your mother tongue? How did I learn my mother tongue? Did my mother, for example, my mother tongue is Hindi. How did I learn Hindi? Did my mother teach me Hindi? Did my mother teach me all rules and regulation and all grammars of Hindi? Did I watched lots of content? No. Then how did I learn Hindi? Actually, when I was born, when I was absorbing my mother, what she was saying, I was observing people around me, how they are pronunciating, how their modulation, how they are speaking, everything absorbing. Absorbing is a good teacher. You can learn anything by absorbing. If we can learn our mother tongue from absorbing, then why can't we learn English by absorbing? I am not saying that grammar is not good. You should not read grammar. You should not learn grammar. You should learn grammar if you are preparing for any competitive exam, or if you want to clear any exam, or if you want to be a teacher of English. But your motive is only speaking, then you should not learn too much grammar, because grammar is not necessary for speaking English. Do you know why I am saying that you should not learn too much grammar? Because whenever you are going to study grammar, then you will face lots of problems. Your mind will confused where to use preposition, where to use conjunction, where to use adjective, and your mind will depressed. So don't entangled into grammar. So I cleared all the point. In short, I want to say that grammar is not important for speaking English. Or if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and press the notification bell for get my new latest videos. And thank you so much for listening.